2,000 years ago, this wasn't a crater. It was solid ground, built from millions of years of volcanic activity. Suddenly, the landscape exploded as magma rose and hit groundwater.
We're at one of the last or latest eruptive structures in Gran Canaria, and this was a phreatic eruption, similar to Ubehebe in Death Valley and others, where when you have an eruption coming from down below, you also have the interaction with groundwater, and so that creates a massive steam eruption. And in the process, you can see really remarkable layers of previous eruptions that engulf this area.
When basaltic magma encounters subsurface water, the water flashes instantly to steam. And steam expands at about 1,700 times its original volume, and that rapid expansion shatters both magma and surrounding rock. So instead of building a cone, this eruption blasted one. Look at the walls. They're a vertical timeline, alternating layers of coarse lapilli and finer ash that record repeated explosive pulses. Some beds are massive and poorly sorted, and others are thin and laminated. A classic base surge deposit moving low and fast across the surface. Up close, the texture tells the story. Angular, granular fragments, not just bubbly scoria, but rock that mechanically gets shattered by steam explosions. Well, that angularity is the fingerprint of magma and water interaction. These walls expose volcanic rocks more than 3 million years old, part of Gran Canaria's earlier shield volcanic phase. The most recent eruption punched down through that older framework and spread fresh deposits across the landscape. This is remarkably similar to Ubehebe Crater in Death Valley, another phreatic eruption that formed when magma met groundwater. In both places, the crater walls preserve layered, surge deposits from multiple explosions, not just one blast. Bandama isn't just a crater. It's an excavation through time, where a brief, steam-driven eruption sliced into millions of years of volcanic history. And those granular cinders, they're the evidence of water turning magma into a violent explosion.